All right, guys, what's happening? Today we're going to talk about how we're going to be able to take care of your profile so that you'll have access to it, so that people have access to it, so that when you share your links and all that stuff, it'll have your name on it properly the way you want it. Because if you're like Dragon Slayer, then you can't say power.com/Dragon Slayer. Like, you got to be more professional than that. Use your name so people can recognize you, people can find you, payments can go smoothly, because who really makes out a check to Dragon Slayer? You know what I mean? So let's work on that right after this. All right, guys, so here we are on the login on power.com. You click on login, you log in, and then you go to the top left on the hamburger menu, click my projects, you scroll down platform, settings, and right under settings, it's my profile. So you click on my profile, and once you're in your profile, you fill up the form, your first name, your last name, your vanity URL, meaning it's going to be power.com/Eddie.Beretti. Right? You don't want no Dragon Slayer there. I mean, it sounds pretty cool, but it's just, if you're a kid playing video games, it's amazing. But if you're trying to do business professionally, I don't recommend you use Dragon Slayer as your... Anyways, you know what I'm saying. Your gender, your marital status, your date of birth, your address, your city, state, zip code, your email, and your phone number. And of course, you upload a picture of yourself. You choose the time. In this case, it's going to be mountain, and then your bio about you, who you are, if you want to share that. And on the bottom right here, it says update. You can't really see it, but it's there. It's a blue button. And that's all there is to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and we'll see you guys on the next video.